Ever found yourself staring at your crypto portfolio on Kraken, thinking, "This is great, but how do I actually get this into my bank account?" You've navigated the world of buying and trading, maybe even staked some assets, and now you're ready to convert those digital gains into good old-fashioned cash. But when it comes to cashing out, it can feel like a whole new level of complexity. You might be wondering about the best method, the fees involved, how long it takes, and what steps you need to take to ensure a smooth, secure transfer. It's a common question, and frankly, it's one of the most important aspects of managing your crypto investments. After all, the ability to convert your digital assets back into usable fiat currency is what makes them truly liquid and valuable in the real world. Without a clear path to cashing out, your crypto gains are essentially locked away in the digital realm. And let's be honest, there is nothing quite as satisfying as seeing those funds land in your bank account, ready to be used for whatever you need, whether it's paying bills, making a big purchase, or simply enjoying the fruits of your successful trading. Many people get into crypto with the intention of holding for the long term, or hodling as the community calls it. But even the most dedicated hodlers eventually need to access their funds. Perhaps the market has reached a peak you've been waiting for, or maybe an unexpected expense has come up. Whatever the reason, knowing how to confidently and efficiently sell your crypto for cash on a reputable exchange like Kraken is an indispensable skill. Kraken is known for its robust security features, competitive fees, and a wide range of supported currencies, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. However, navigating its various options for withdrawals can still be a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the process. This isn't just about clicking a sell button and hoping for the best. There are important considerations, such as verification levels, withdrawal limits, the different fiat currencies Kraken supports, and the various methods available for transferring funds to your bank. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in how quickly, affordably, and securely you can access your cash. Ignoring them can lead to delays, unexpected fees, or even complications with your bank. So, before you dive in, it's essential to understand the full picture. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to break down the entire process of selling crypto for cash on Kraken, step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know, from preparing your account to initiating the withdrawal and troubleshooting any potential issues. Our goal is to demystify the process, empowering you to confidently convert your digital assets into real-world currency whenever you need to. By the end of this video, you'll be able to cash out your crypto from Kraken with ease, ensuring your financial flexibility and peace of mind. Let's get started. The very first step, and this is absolutely critical, is ensuring your Kraken account is fully verified. Kraken has different verification tiers, and the higher your tier, the more access you'll have to various funding options and higher withdrawal limits. For fiat withdrawals, you typically need at least an intermediate verification level. This usually involves providing personal information like your full name, date of birth, address, and often, a government-issued ID and proof of residence. If you haven't completed this process yet, head over to your Kraken account settings, find the Get Verified or Verification section, and follow the prompts. It might take a little time for Kraken to review and approve your documents, so it's best to do this well in advance of when you plan to withdraw. Don't wait until you urgently need cash to realize your account isn't fully verified. This is a crucial security measure designed to protect both you and the exchange, preventing fraud and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. So, take the time to get this right. Once your account is verified, the next step is to actually sell your cryptocurrency for the fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Kraken supports a wide range of fiat currencies for withdrawal, including USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, AUD, and others, depending on your region and verification level. Before you sell, decide which fiat currency you want to receive. If you plan to withdraw to a USD bank account, you'll need to sell your crypto for USD. If it's a Euro account, sell for Euro. To do this, navigate to the Trade section on the Kraken platform. You'll typically find options like Buy Crypto, Sell Crypto, and Convert. For our purposes, you'll want to select Sell Crypto. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell from your portfolio. Let's say you have Bitcoin and you want to convert it to US dollars. You'd select BTC as the asset to sell and USD as the currency you want to receive. You then have two main ways to sell your crypto: a simple market order or a more advanced limit order. For most users looking to simply cash out, a market order is the easiest. This means you're telling Kraken to sell your crypto immediately at the best available market price. Just input the amount of crypto you want to sell, or the amount of fiat currency you want to receive, and click Sell. Kraken will execute the trade instantly. A limit order, on the other hand, allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell your crypto. If the market price reaches your set limit, the order will execute. This gives you more control over the sale price, but also means your order might not fill immediately if the market doesn't hit your target. For a quick cash out, stick with the market order. Once your sell order is executed, the corresponding fiat currency will appear in your Kraken cash balance. You'll see it listed alongside your other assets in your portfolio or balances section. With your crypto now converted to fiat, it's time for the actual withdrawal. This is where you transfer the funds from your Kraken account to your bank account. From your Kraken dashboard, look for the Funding tab or section. Within Funding, you'll typically find options for Deposit and Withdraw. Click on Withdraw. Next, you'll need to select the fiat currency you wish to withdraw. This should be the same currency you just converted your crypto into. For example, if you sold your Bitcoin for USD, select USD. Kraken offers various withdrawal methods, and these can vary based on your geographic location and the fiat currency you're withdrawing. Common methods include bank wire transfer, SWIFT. This is a widely supported method for larger withdrawals, typically taking 1 to 5 business days to process. Fees can be higher compared to other methods, but it's very reliable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.